Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. The Wilson Hyper Hammer has been a trusted favorite among beginner tennis players for more than 25 years, and it's easy to see why it continues to be one of the brand's best-selling rackets. Designed with a lightweight frame, a Hyper Hammer is incredibly easy to swing, making it ideal for long practice sessions without causing unnecessary strain on the shoulder or elbow. This forgiving feel allows new players to stay comfortable on the court while building confidence and consistency in their strokes. One of the racket's standout qualities is how effortlessly it generates power and spin. Beginners can quickly learn to shape their shots and add topspin without having to overexert themselves. Despite its light construction, a Hyper Hammer feels surprisingly well balanced, which helps new players feel more in control during serves, volleys, and baseline rallies. This balance is especially reassuring for those still developing proper technique. The oversized 110 square inch head further enhances its beginner-friendly appeal. It offers a large, forgiving sweet spot that reduces the impact of off-center hits and provides extra margin for error on serves and returns. This added forgiveness helps players stay in points longer and enjoy the learning process. What truly seals the deal, however, is the price. The latest Hyper Hammer delivers mid-range performance at a budget-friendly cost, making it an excellent choice for new players who want quality without overspending. For anyone just starting their tennis journey, this racket is a smart, confidence-boosting investment. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. Well engineered and widely respected by players at every level, including a long list of touring professionals, Babolat is a brand that consistently delivers reliable performance. Renowned coach Rick Matchy even notes that Babolat is a brand I always come back to, a testament to its long-standing reputation for quality and innovation. That expertise is clearly reflected in the Babolat Boost series, especially the Boost S, which is thoughtfully designed with beginners in mind. The Boost S focuses on providing exactly what new players need and nothing they don't. It's built to add an extra boost of power to your shots while preserving a comfortable, controlled feel that works well across all areas of the court. From ground strokes to volleys and serves, the racket offers a balanced response that helps beginners develop proper technique without feeling overwhelmed. Weighing in at around 10 ounces, the Boost S strikes an ideal balance between maneuverability and substance. It's light enough to swing effortlessly, making it easier to generate racket head speed, yet solid enough to drive through the ball with confidence. This blend of power and stability makes it especially appealing for players who are ready to move beyond basic starter rackets. Affordability is another strong point. Like the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3, the Boost S sits comfortably in the budget-friendly range, often at an even more accessible price, making it an excellent value for beginners looking to upgrade without a big financial commitment. Overall, the Babolat Boost S is a smart, confidence-building option for players eager to elevate their game. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. Let's address the obvious first. The Wilson Clash 108 V2 is not a budget racket. However, for beginners who are committed to improving their game or who simply appreciate top-tier equipment, it stands out as one of the most comfortable rackets available at any level. Wilson's advanced frame technology delivers exceptional arm-friendly performance, making it a perfect choice for new players concerned about comfort, control, and long-term playability. What truly sets the Clash 108 V2 apart is how seamlessly it blends plush comfort with responsive power. The racket provides excellent feedback and stability, allowing players to hit with confidence while maintaining impressive accuracy. Whether you're working on ground strokes, refining your serve, or learning touch shots at the net, this racket supports growth across every aspect of the game. The generous 108 square inch head also creates a noticeably larger sweet spot, offering added forgiveness on off-center hits, an essential feature for beginners still developing consistency. While the initial price may give some buyers pause, it's important to consider the long-term value. A racket of this quality is built to last for years of regular play, easily outperforming and outlasting most cheaper, sub-$100 options that often need to be replaced as skills improve. Instead of upgrading multiple times, investing in the Clash 108 V2 early can save both time and money in the long run. For beginners who are serious about tennis and want a racket that will grow with them, the Wilson Clash 108 V2 is a smart, future-proof investment that delivers comfort, performance, and lasting value. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. Another strong value option from one of tennis's most trusted brands, the Geo Speed is a well-built racket designed to make the learning process easier and more enjoyable for beginners. It features a generously sized hitting surface and a sturdy, durable frame, two qualities that are essential in a dependable entry-level racket. These design choices help new players stay consistent while building confidence with every swing. The extended 27.5-inch length is a notable advantage, especially for smaller players or those with shorter, less developed swings. The added reach provides extra leverage, making it easier to generate power without having to overswing. At the same time, this length benefits all beginners by offering improved court coverage and a little extra help on serves and baseline shots as players learn proper technique. While no one would confuse the Geo Speed with a premium, tour-level racket, that's not its goal. Instead, it focuses on delivering solid performance where it matters most for newer and recreational players. The racket offers a forgiving feel, dependable stability, and enough power to keep rallies going without sacrificing control. For true beginners or casual players looking for a reliable racket to pull out for weekend matches or occasional practice sessions, the Geo Speed delivers excellent value. Its combination of practical features and affordable pricing results in an impressive feature-to-dollar ratio. Overall, it's an easy recommendation for anyone seeking a straightforward, confidence-boosting racket that gets the fundamentals right without unnecessary extras. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5. The latest Wilson Burn racket may turn heads with its sleek, modern design, but its appeal goes far beyond good looks. This model is an excellent option for players who want a lightweight, easy-swinging racket that helps reduce stress on the arms and joints, especially during long practice sessions or extended matches. That comfort factor alone makes it a smart choice for beginners who are still building strength and technique. Despite its lighter feel, the Burn delivers impressive stability and control. It's quick through the air, highly maneuverable, and easy to handle at the net or from the baseline, allowing new players to react faster and stay confident during rallies. The stiff carbon fiber construction helps compensate for the lighter weight by providing plenty of power, so shots still feel solid and authoritative when making clean contact. Another standout feature is its well-balanced performance profile. The Burn sits comfortably between control and power, earning it Goldilocks status among the Wilson rackets featured in this guide. Not too demanding, not too basic, but just right for players finding their rhythm on the court. It offers enough responsiveness to grow with your game without overwhelming you early on. Price is another advantage. Positioned squarely in the mid-range, the Burn delivers excellent value for its performance level and build quality. For beginners or intermediate players seeking a stylish, forgiving racket that blends comfort, stability, and power, the Wilson Burn is a confident, well-rounded choice that won't break the bank.